Hey, I'm Jody. I'm an engineer, but I'm also in sales, so here I am in the car. That's just the nature of the beast. But anyway, my background is in chemical engineering, and I thought back at what makes an engineer. You know, it starts as a kid going up through school, and I guess by the time you get your degree, that's 17 years in school, and there's no way to really remember everything you learn. You just take pieces here and there. But when I was at Clemson, I worked for the university as well, and I got to work with some of my professors, and we were working on a project, and I started thinking about solutions to the problem we were working on, and saying, oh, we could do this and we could do that. And he sort of stopped me and said, the first step to solving any problem is to correctly identify the problem. And it sort of made me think that I was getting ahead of myself, and for some reason that statement has just stuck with me through all these years. And so basically anything that I'm looking at, I always think back to that, making sure I'm not getting ahead of myself, and I'm thinking about the problem, and that just helps me be a better problem solver. So for me, being an engineer is just being a problem solver. And even if you're a designer and you come up with some awesome design, it's really not good if it's not solving a problem. If it's the greatest design in the world, but it's not going to be used for any practical application, then maybe it's not as good as you think it is. So I guess that's what I have to say. The first step to solving any problem is to correctly identify the problem. Thank you.